3-bedroom flat, 1250 SFT, west facing, Himayat Nagar, 3rd floor. Northeast children's bedroom with balcony, front side and back side. 3-bedroom flat with puja room, big hall, another bedroom with attached bathroom. Kitchen with balcony beside Belcote Park. So, 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, 1 common, 2 attached. Master bedroom with attached bathroom.